Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the sets in Python. Now what are the sets? Sets consist of the heterogeneous elements, means we are able to store the data elements of any type, and they are unordered set of unique objects. Now what is unordered? Means if we store the data in one set but you are not able to get the output in the same set as you have entered. Okay, means it also does not support the indexing. Means we are not able to fetch an element with the help of index. Okay, and it is a set of unique objects. Means whether you are entering the duplicate elements inside the set, but in the output you are able to get only the unique objects. Okay. We can able to add the elements, we are able to delete the elements as per our requirement. Next, that is relational operator. Now, the relational operator also works with sets, such as less than equal to. Sometimes we need to check whether one set is a subset of another set or not. We are able to check with the help of the relational operator. Now here, there is an example where we have made one set. Okay, we have added apple 2 times, but in the output, you are getting it only 1 time because set does not allow duplicates inside it. Okay, please do remember this thing. Now, let's write some code in Python. Now, here I have made a set, okay, with the help of the curly braces. Now let's execute the file to see the output. Here orange comes 2 times, but in the output we are getting it as 1 time. Okay. Now it is one of the method to make a set. Now we are able to use the set constructor to make a set. Okay. Here you can see we have used the set constructor and passed the list of the values. Okay, now let's execute the file to see the output. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only the unique objects, distinct elements allowed in the set. Now next, if you want to add an element inside the set, how do you add? With the help of the add method. Now we can able to add the top inside the set. Now let's execute the file to see the output. 1, 2, 3, 4, top. Now, if you want to add the multiple elements inside the set, then you are able to do with the help of the update function. Here you can see we are able to add the multiple elements with the help of update function. Now let's see the output. Now, one thing you have noticed, these are in the jumbled order, means it is unordered. So we do remember this thing that set is an unordered form. It gives you the elements in an unordered form. Next, if you want to remove an element, you are able to do with the help of the remove function. Now here we are removing the star. Now let's execute the file to see the output. You are able to remove. Next, now we are going to see the function of the relational operator inside the set to check whether one set is a subset of another set or not. Now here, I have taken the set AB as a subset of ABC or not. And I have used the relational operator less than equal to. Now, it is a subset of this, but we need to check with the help of the relational operator. Now, let's execute the file to see the output. Yes, it is true. It gives you the Boolean value, either true or false. If you write it here as A, B, C, D, then you will get the false. We can see. Okay. Then ABCD is not the subset of ABC. Right? Subset means it is a part of that particular set. Now ABCD is more than ABC. So if you enter only A is a subset of ABC, B is a subset of ABC, C is also a subset of ABC. But ABCD, because their number of elements has increased, right? A is a subset of ABC. AB is also subset, AC is also subset, BC is also subset, you can see. Right? I hope it is clear to all of you. So if you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.